ඉතින් බොස් අද සහෝදරයන් ඔයාලා මාගේ channel එකට පිළිගන්නවා. අද අපි ප්ලේ කරන්න යන්නේ I am security කියන ගේම් එක. ඔයාලට මතකද I am cat කියන ගේම් එක? අන්නේ ගේම් එකේ හදපු සමාගම විසින් මේකත් හදලා තියෙනවා. subscribe කරේ නැත්නම් ආව දැම්ම subscribe කරලා like එකක් දාන්න. අපි දැම්ම ගේම් එකට යන්න. අපි දැන් වැඩේ පටන් ගමු. What game?
Oh, you need that? Sure, go ahead. I am not sure how that can be. I understand. Maybe next time I'll make it in. Oh,
bro.
I didn't dress up to debate with the tour guard. Just open the damn line. Hey, I don't recall asking for a wardrobe change, genius. Taking my stuff without asking, genius move. You better appreciate that, idiot. That is not useful, idiot. A big mistake on your part, I assure you. I've been waiting patiently and hope you'll consider giving me that green stamp. Cool gadget, hope it helps you out. Whoa, that was a rough nap. That was painful. Cool, that might come in handy. I'll respect the rules and step away without fuss.
I've been looking forward to this all week. A green stamp would make my night complete. I totally understand. This must be a tough job. That stings. They say there's a fantastic crowd in there. I'm hoping to join them. Great choice. I'm sure it'll help somehow. It's not my night, but I'm not upset. Thanks anyway. Could I please join the others inside and share in their enjoyment? No problem. I wasn't using it anyway. Oh, you need that? Sure, go ahead. I'll respect the rules and step away without fuss. I've been told the scene inside is unmatched. I'd be grateful to see it. What do you have there? Sorry to bother you. I'll just find another place tonight.
I've heard your events are legendary, and I'd love to be part of it tonight. I'm happy to share. It's all yours. That was surprisingly painful. That hurt! No problem, I wasn't using it anyway. That was not necessary. That's some high-tech gear. Curious what you'll find. That was so uncalled for. Guess I was overdressed. Thanks for helping me cool off. No worries, I didn't really need that right now.
මොසුල එච්චේ බෑනේ. හරි.
Nice.
උඹට ගියයි.
Thank you kindly. I'm honored to be welcomed in.
VIP කෙනෙක්.
I can already feel the good energy from here. I'd love to step in.
බොස්. බොස්. අද සල්ලි හතර බොස්.
Not my night, but I'm not upset. Thanks anyway.
හරි බෝයිස්. අදට අපි මේ ගේම් එකකින්
I can't wait to
නවතිනවා.
see what
ආයේ
everyone's talking
part
about
2 මේක
inside.
ගේන්න. ආයේ ඒක ගේනකම් මගේ channel එකේ රැඳිලා ඉන්න subscribe කරේ නැත්නම් subscribe කරලා ඕලුත් දාන්න like උත් කරන්න. bye